I go to a Holocaust survivor group. Now, unfortunately, there is one who came from Germany, and he's much older than I am, knows a little of Yiddish culture. Most of the people I see, if you would not know that they came, that they are survivors, there is no accent. They don't identify themselves being Jewish. No, I'm not a religious human being, but know about it. If it's Pesach, at least know that there is a Haggadah on the table. Know that you're going to be eating a knedel soup, and know that it's not time for Latkes. If you want to eat Latkes, wait for Hanukkah. You don't have to be a Talmid Chochem. You don't have to observe everything. But know that you come from an ancestry that suffered greatly because they were Jewish people. So for that alone, identify yourself, especially those who survived.